Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate USA Trucking Guide. This is a continuation from part 4. So in part 5 of this series and today's presentation, we will be talking about different conveyor truck types. More information will be provided on the following slide. So let's not waste any more time and let's begin. As usual, this slide we will be talking about conveyor trucks and how they operate in the USA market. Nothing too complicated, just the complete details about conveyor trucks. Okay, let's move on to the third slide. I am going to elaborate about each and every point on this slide and will give examples to follow on. So please take your time and read these bullet points which I have laid out on this slide, as we will talk about them extensively in this presentation. So once you have read this slide thoroughly, we can move on to the fourth slide. In this slide, I will briefly describe each conveyor truck type and how it is used in USA. So, first image is a stone slinger truck, which is used primarily for placing gravel, sand, topsoil, or other aggregate materials in precise locations. It is equipped with a high-speed conveyor belt that can throw materials up to 90 feet or more, making them absolutely ideal for hard-to-reach areas. The second image is a cement mixer truck, which are designed for transporting and placing concrete mixtures in areas where a concrete pump might not be feasible. The conveyor system can extend and swivel to pour concrete precisely at the desired location. This is often used for foundations, slabs, and specific concrete structures. Third image is an aggregate truck, which is one of the most common CV types in the States. They transport and move raw materials such as sand, gravel, and crushed stone to different height and angles. This allows for precision placement and saves a lot of time overall. The fourth truck, so this is another common CV truck type, which is intended for road paving operations. These trucks have heat-resistant conveyor belt systems in place, which ensures accurate placement of hot asphalt directly onto the roadway or into pavers. Okay, on to the fifth image. Seed fertilizer trucks. These units are primarily used in spreading seeds or fertilizers over large fields and crops. Some of these trucks are controlled remotely for an automated process. Okay? So let's go on to the second part of this slide. Mulch trucks are used in the landscaping industry. These trucks are used to spread mulch over large areas such as garden beds or playgrounds. The seventh image is the largest CV type of its kind. Bulk handling trucks are usually used in the mining industry for materials like coal, ore, or grain. These trucks have heavy-duty conveyors mounted on the truck frame for handling of large volumes of material efficiently. This final image of a wood chipper truck are most commonly used in road construction to evenly spread layers of wood chips over freshly layered asphalt or bitumen. This in return increases road surface durability and traction. So we have briefly talked about all the CV truck types in this slide. In the next slide, I will provide dimensions and specifications for each one. So let's proceed to the sixth slide. There is a slide like this in every video that I have made so far. So please just take your time and scan through this slide and the next one as well. Once you're done reading through these two slides, then please proceed to slide 8. Here we will be talking about the tools, equipment, and maintenance protocols used in the USA conveyor trucking market. Conveyor system tools include belt alignment and splicing kit. It also consists of a belt tensioning gauge. Cleaning the belt and also replacing the bearings is done on a monthly or a circumstantial basis. Then we have the hydraulic system tools, which consist of a pressure gauge, hose crimping tools, fluid leak detection kit, and a hydraulic fluid tester. The electrical system of the conveyor must be regularly checked for optimal performance, which includes observing voltage and circuit integrity using a multimeter and a circuit tester. Wire crimpers and battery load testers are an optional kit to have with you on the go, but is not considered essential. Then comes the basic and mechanical tools such as wrenches, portable welding equipment, and a grease gun. Maintenance practices are divided into 4 routine time slots, which are daily, weekly, monthly, and annual practices. Daily involves doing pre- and post-inspection checks on the fluid levels, tires, brakes, lighting, etc. Weekly checks involves belt, hydraulic, and electrical system maintenance. Monthly and annual checks are situation-based and are optional at best. This involves anything from fluid replacements all the way to emission testing and overall complete truck tune-up. Okay, I hope you got all that. Let's go to the 9th slide. Infographics, videos, images, and the like will be shown here, so please watch through it and I will meet you on the 10th slide. So as usual, I'm going to break down this slide by starting off with the abbreviations. DOT stands for Department of Transportation. CDL stands for Commercial Driver's License. FMCSA stands for Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. HOS stands for Hours of Service. ELD stands for Electronic Logging Device. EPA stands for Environmental Protection Agency. SPCC stands for Spill Prevention, Control and Countermeasure. OSHA stands for Occupational Safety and Health Administration. MSHA stands for Mine Safety and Health Administration. So that's all the abbreviation done. I will now give you some time to read through this slide, and also please research some of these terminologies before brokering or dispatching for anyone who is using conveyor mounted trucks. Once you're done reading, we will move on to the 11th slide. Here is another multimedia slide to show some unique CV trucks that are used around the world. Okay, so same format as the last presentation. Text, graphics, animation, and background music will be used to describe and elaborate my point on the pros and cons of using a conveyor truck. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the presentation, and I will see you on the next video.